Torrey owner of Time to Shine Car Wash in Lewistown and Huntington, Pennsylvania. And we have 4 in-bay automatics, 5 self-serve bays. A lot of different things that we got into, but some of the major stuff, right away the chemical, doesn't sit there and burn your hands. You don't have to wear gloves changing things over. You don't have to, worry about my kids coming in there and touching something. You're freaking out because of it. Also, our equipment is lasting so much longer. Tips don't clog up. Everything is just running absolute killer with this product. I mean, it's any customer. I'm going from like a truck wash company that, we have like these small companies that have truck washes. They wash their own fleet. I mean, you can go as small as that to an in-bay automatics, to hand bays, up to tunnels, all the groups of guys and stuff, any group of people that deal with the soap is a killer world. And actually, it's kind of funny, but I actually sell it even to farmers. I sell the in-bay, cleaner to the farmers in our local area for their milk parlors. It's kind of crazy. So we go from big tunnels the whole way to little farmers and stuff, which is cool. When we got involved with Synergy Solutions, we came to Vegas and we found these guys here, and right off the bat, they were a family company. We're a small town, car wash, and these guys are, a small town company, but also do a big town, some providers. Extremely family friendly, one-on-one with those guys, especially with Pete. He has been fantastic, like a father. Awesome dude. Synergy service is awesome. I mean, those guys, when we make a phone call to them or just order it online, guys are just instantly respond to an email. They respond, via a call back. Everything about it, hands down, #1 quality guy.